Hi, this tutorial will guide you on how to use the Hyderabad Millennium School's parent application. First, please go to the respective stores. If you're using an Android phone, go to the Play Store, and if you're using an Apple phone, please go to the iStore and search for the Hyderabad Millennium School. So once you install the application, please open the application. This is how the interface looks like. You can log in to the application through two mediums. One, using the mobile phone, or by the username and password. So I'm trying to log in here through the username and password. Mostly the password is being used is the date of birth of the child. The username and password has been given to you by the admin department. If you do not have a username and password, please reach out to the admin department. So once I log in to the application, it will ask me to change the password. I can change the password or I can also skip the password. This is how the interface of the application looks like. There are various modules in the application for the usage. Let me take you through each of these modules in detail. So the first module is the homework module. The homework module is where the student will be able to go and look at what is the homework being given to the students. Okay, you just need to go and click on that particular date and you'll be able to look at these homeworks in detail. Okay, now along with the homeworks, you also have an option called assignments. So when I click on assignment, this is the assignment being sent by the school. Now, the good part here is this is a two-way application. You can also submit the homework or assignments, but this will be used only when we are going in an online scenario. You will not be using the submit homework or submit assignments in an offline kind of a scenario. The second option is the notification option. So the notification option is also an option where you'll be able to receive the notifications and you will also be able to send the notification back to the school. So this is your inbox, the screen which you are seeing right now. This is an inbox where school is sending a notification to you. You look at that particular notification. If you wanted to respond to that particular notification, you can also respond to that particular notification. Now, other than this, if you wanted to compose a notification, there's an option called compose. I click on compose, I select the recipient. If I wanted to send a message to the admin, I click on admin, I give a subject, I give a message, I type in whatever I want to type in and then I send a message. If I wanted to send a message to a teacher, I click on a particular teacher, I select the teacher to whom I wanted to send, I say okay, I give a particular subject, whatever subject I wanted to give it, and I can also type in the message and click on the send. So this particular message will be sent to that particular teacher. So this is how the notification module works. There's a search bar been given just in case you want to go and search for a particular notification. You can also go and search for a notification. There's a send item. This is where you can also go and see what all messages you have been sending to the school. The next option is your showcase option. Showcase option is a option where you will be receiving the photos and the videos from the school. So these are all the photos the school has been sending it to you. There's been a yoga day and these are what the children have been doing. Now this is a class specific photo and a video. This could be a school specific also. Then you have a timetable module. So as soon as the timetable module has been uploaded, you'll be able to look at all the timetable so that the child can plan the day accordingly. You have an exam timetable module where as soon as the exams come, you will be able to see the exam timetable. This could be which day, what examination will happen and what would be the portion for that particular examination. The next is your calendar. So as and when the calendar is uploaded, you'll also be able to see which date, what event is happening, when are the holidays starting, when are the holidays ending and things like that. The attendance module will give you information on which all days your child has taken a leave or is absent. Fees option gives you an information on what all fees has been assigned to you and what is the payment you have been done. You also can go and download the receipts from this application. Just click on the history option and you can go and download the receipt in the PDF format. Then you have an option called support. So support module is a module where you can send the tickets to the school. So ticket could be based on communication, discipline, timetable, homework, corrections, reach out to principal. So these are all the options being given to you. You just need to select those options, give your particular information and raise a ticket. So this ticket will be going to that communication head and they'll respond back to you on that particular ticket. Let's say you want to reach out to the principal, just click on reach out to the principal, give your issue over here and then you can raise a ticket to them. If you wanted to attach something, you can also attach something from a option called plus. There's a photograph you can take and you can also attach it into the mobile application. Then you have an option called social media. So as soon as the social media gets activated, you will be able to see the school social media, Facebook, Instagram and things like that. There's also an option called progress report. As soon as the progress reports have been generating in the future, you'll be able to see your progress report over here. We also have options called online classes and online examinations. I'll not get in details about it. I hope we don't use it, but we are all ready for online classes and online examinations just in case the time comes. We can use these applications for it. We have something called digital content. Digital content is a platform where teachers upload the content based on the subject and based on the topic of that particular subject. You will be able to always look at those topics and you will be able to download and use those topics. You have a circular model. Circular also is an option where you can receive the circulars. These circulars could be in PDFs or in the photograph format. Then you have assignments. Assignment is a module where you'll be able to look at these assignments and you'll be able to upload these assignments. We use this very rigorously in an online kind of a scenario, but yeah, school intends to use it on an offline as well. Then you have settings. If you wanted to log out, you can, but you need not have to log out every time because you'll be missing most important notifications from the school. You can always go and look at the profile of a particular child just in case you want to check if your mobile number is correct or the date of birth is correct and things like that. Okay, and you can use the application. I hope you have a detailed understanding about the application now. If you have any queries or concerns or feedbacks, please reach out to the school. Thank you very much.